Hello everyone, and welcome back to the RENSO'n'sYard. In this episode, we're building some adult proof bunk beds from scratch. Now for a bit of context, we have a rental house that we rent out fully furnished, and one of the rooms is quite a bit smaller than the other ones, so we figured that bunk beds would be the best way to have as many people as possible in there. But we went shopping and we couldn't find any bunk beds that were rated for more than 120 or 150 pounds, which is a problem if you're trying to have two adults sleeping on there. So we decided to build our own and make them strong enough so a 300-pound, 6-foot person can jump on them and they won't break. So this is our adventure of building those beds.